I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili sauce. Start by gathering ingredients and prepping equipment so everything is within reach. Roast or sauté chilies and garlic briefly to deepen flavor, then blend with vinegar, sugar, salt, and a touch of oil until smooth. Taste and adjust heat, acidity, and sweetness. Simmer gently to meld flavors and thicken slightly, then bottle while hot for best preservation and shelf life. Warm up oil in a pan and gently sauté garlic and shallots until aromatic, taking care not to brown them. Add chopped or roasted chilies and cook briefly, then transfer the mixture to a blender with vinegar, sugar, and salt. Pulse until smooth and return to the pan to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, adjusting thickness and seasoning as needed. Cool slightly before bottling to preserve bright flavor and freshness. If you are finding this helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for storing chili sauce portions and preventing messy spills when transporting meals. They make meal prep so much simpler. Head to the description to find the link and check for other deals I mention. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Taste early and tweak by adding more vinegar for brightness or sugar for balance until the sauce sings. For extra depth, try roasted tomatoes or smoked paprika to introduce a subtle smokiness without overwhelming heat. If using fresh herbs, add them at the end to keep brightness. Cool fully before transferring to jars and refrigerate, or sterilize jars for long-term storage to keep your chili sauce flavorful and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.